Human-machine collaboration and Industry 5.0. The future of co-working with robots. What if your next colleague isn't human, but a robot? Imagine walking into your office or factory floor, and beside your desk stands a sleek robotic arm, ready to assist you. A voice assistant that doesn't just take commands, but understands your workflow in real time. Would you feel threatened, excited, or curious? This isn't science fiction. It's the dawn of Industry 5.0, where humans and machines don't compete, they collaborate. Welcome to the Omeni Tech channel, your trusted hub for cutting-edge tech insights, smart solutions, and future-forward innovation. If you're passionate about technology and want to stay ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. Subscribe now and join a growing community of thinkers, builders, and tech enthusiasts. Fresh content drops regularly. Don't miss out. So what is human-machine collaboration in Industry 5.0? We've all heard about Industry 4.0, automation, AI, IoT, and the digitalization of everything. But now, the conversation is evolving. Industry 5.0 isn't just about machines replacing humans. It's about machines working with humans. Think of it as robots that adapt to you, not the other way around. AI copilots that think with you, rather than for you. Immersive interfaces like Haptic robotics and AR-assisted workflows that make collaboration seamless. From real-time voice copilots in logistics centers to haptic-enabled robotic arms in manufacturing, the boundary between human skill and machine intelligence is fading. So where is it happening now? Let's look at real-world examples where this is no longer just theory. 1. Collaborative robots, Cobots. Used in automotive plants, they now work side by side with technicians, learning their pace and adapting to each task. Companies like Universal Robots and Fanuc are leading this change. 2. Voice AI copilots. Imagine a factory supervisor wearing a headset that provides real-time production insights, predicts machine faults, and suggests scheduling changes without typing a single line of code. 3. Healthcare robotics. Surgeons are now assisted by AI-powered robotic arms that provide precision beyond human capability, while still leaving the surgeon in full control. 4. Telecommunications and field service. Technicians use AR glasses that guide them step by step as they repair fiber optic lines or 5G antennas, with an AI assistant verifying their work in real time. These are not futuristic prototypes. They are being deployed today by companies like McKinsey and company clients and innovators across Europe, Asia, and Africa. What are future predictions? Where is Industry 5.0 taking us? By 2030, 60% of workplaces will integrate some form of human-machine collaboration, according to emerging market trends. Haptic feedback suits will allow designers and engineers to feel digital products before they are manufactured. Voice copilots will replace 80% of manual reporting and documentation tasks in logistics, telecom, and manufacturing. Emotional AI systems will adapt their tone, speed, and workflow suggestions based on your stress or focus level, making machines more empathetic collaborators. So what does this mean for you? You may be asking, will robots take my job? The answer is, not exactly. They'll transform your job. Industry 5.0 is not about replacing humans. It's about enhancing human potential. If you're an engineer, you'll spend less time troubleshooting and more time innovating. If you're a nurse or doctor, your robotic colleague will handle repetitive precision tasks, freeing you to focus on patient care. If you're a telecom technician, AR copilots will help you work faster, safer, and smarter. In short, machines will handle the routine, and humans will lead the creative, critical, and empathetic aspects of work. How to prepare for Industry 5.0. 1. Upskill in digital literacy. Learn how to use AI copilots, voice assistants, and AR tools. 2. Embrace soft skills. Collaboration, empathy, and problem-solving will be more valuable than ever. 3. Stay curious. The best workers of the future are those willing to co-learn with machines. 4. Experiment with free tools. Platforms like OpenAI, Hugging Face, and Microsoft Copilot Studio allow you to simulate real-world Industry 5.0 experiences. If you found this inspiring, now is the time to act. Like this video to support more content like this. Subscribe to the Omeni Tech channel for weekly insights on AI, telecom, and emerging tech. Comment below. Would you be comfortable working with a robotic colleague? Why or why not? The journey toward Industry 5.0 is not about man versus machine. It's about man with machine. From haptic robotics to voice copilots, from intelligent factory floors to emotionally aware assistants, this is the next era of productivity and innovation. Instead of fearing this change, embrace it, prepare for it, and shape it. Because in Industry 5.0, the most valuable skill will be collaboration, not competition. I hope this video has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.